What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Hub's World. And today we got a giveaway to do. We're behind on the giveaway. I want to thank you all for your patience. Easter kind of put things on the back burner, but we got some names to call out. I want to thank everybody who participated and showed support on the channel as well. But we got to thank Broda. Broda got down on the watch face that we're about to give away. It's called Broda.io. And thank you, Broda, for the collab on this one. Now, Broda's going to take care of you guys with these watch faces, especially for you all who are from overseas. So some of you all commented and didn't leave the name of your country. I don't know if you didn't want a free watch face code or not, but if you did and you just simply forgot to let me know what country you're from, then you still have an opportunity to do so. I can hit Broda. Broda will send me the watch face code for your country. We got the US sold up. We got Canada that's not sold up. We got watch faces to give away from the UK that we have plenty of. So if you know anybody from those countries that want free watch faces, such as also Russia and Germany, tell them to hit me in my email. It's rawjay7@gmail.com, and I got a free watch face code for them. All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's call out the names of the winners. Now, for the U.S., we got Usman, we got Carl, we got William, we got Jackie in the building. We also got Sonja, and we got my man Vince. Congratulations, you guys from the U.S. Thank you for the love and the support on the channel. We also got Canada. We only got 2 people from Canada. So if you know anybody from Canada that would like a free watch face code, an awesome free watch face code by Broda, tell them to hit me up in my email. Now, we got Ronnie and we got Trap Shooter. For the UK, we only got David Tolbert. That means we got 5 more watch face codes to give away. And we also got some from Denmark too, with Jan was the winner. We got you, Jan. Thank you for the love and the support. And also we got India in the building, right? We got Ready. You hit me, we got you. That's what we wanted people to do. Some of you all I hit back to ask you what country you are from. I didn't get a response. So if I missed you, then make sure you hit me, let me know, and we'll definitely get one to you. All right, you all, that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you all for the support. Thank you all for participating. And don't forget to hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you would like to see this done again, where I get an opportunity to highlight the awesome developers for the great work that they do on these awesome watch faces. And with that, I see you all at the next video. Take care and peace out.